In this video, I'm going to share with you the results of a local lead generation campaign for a weight loss clinic and how my client was able to generate 92 leads in 7 days. So Vivian, my client, wanted to generate new leads, new clients for her laser and cosmetic clinic. We crafted an irresistible offer for one of her cosmetic treatments, which was a 3D non-surgical liposuction treatment, and she generated 92 new clients at a cost of $1.33 per email, and that's per qualified email, which resulted in $2,668 in sales. That's not including the upsells and the packages that were sold once someone came into the clinic. Here's the ad copy and the image creative use. The ad reads, "Hey city name, I'm Vivian and I'm doing something to give back to the community of this amazing city. I'm giving away a 3D non-surgical treatment for only $29 and there's only 47 vouchers available." When someone clicks on this and once you acquire someone's contact details, you're able to market to them again and again. So in the long run, you generally make back your money and make even more sales. In the first 3 days of the campaign, we generated 34 qualified leads, which were at a cost of $1.92 per lead. That's pretty good. We're not talking about cost per click here, because cost per click doesn't make you any money. That doesn't mean it's converted. Even though the cost per click was ridiculously low at 43 cents, we want qualified leads, meaning people booking for their appointment and giving you their contact details. So best of all, for every $1.92 in ad cost of acquiring one lead, Vivian got $29 back. By day 7, I had generated 92 qualified leads at $1.33. So the cost per lead had reduced now, and we were spending up to $122 for 92 leads. At this point, the ad had gotten so much engagement and clicks on Facebook that Facebook rewarded me with a lower cost per lead. Even though the treatment was at a discount, Vivian still made her $2,668 in initial sales, and even more, which I was advised when she sold them packages as they came in for their appointment.